Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82, your railroad archaeologist. Sorry, that noise is a Metrorail. So here you have, that's the Medley lead itself, right? And here you have this spur that comes out of the Medley lead. This also used to be one of my stomping grounds, my old stomping grounds. So, right above me is a Metrorail, which is funny because further south is what was responsible for the Miami extension of the overseas railroad being abandoned and replaced by that, but that's further south. So anyways, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mechanical bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have Lincoln Industries signal base, W.C. Hayes mechanical bell, gate mechanism. I'm still thinking about the mechanical bells. This is track view east, and as you can see, well, there's some Santeria right there, some voodoo worshiping, and down you got 2 TTX boxcars. Those are in the spur there. I don't know if they're waiting to be put in or waiting to be taken out. My assumption is, so I'm gonna take you guys to the end of the track, right? The end of the spur. And it's funny because this spur, I remember, used to be active in the late 80s. You got some more saint worshiping right there. But so after sometime in the mid 90s, this was removed, and then sometime in the 2000s it was rebuilt again. This used to go all the way to a place called Vulcan Materials in the late 80s and prior to the late 80s, but it was replaced with the Metrorail yard down there, Metrorail station. And here you can see where they unload these boxcars. This is where they unload them. You can tell it's been a rainy day, rainy couple of days. So you got your registration marks, brake valve, knuckle, lever, angle cock should be somewhere in the bottom. You got your rungs here. You gotta make 3-point contact if you're a conductor. And let me take you to the end of the train tracks, right? How about all that graffiti, ladies and gents? It's a lack of consideration for private property. And in case you want to see the end of the track, oop, there it is. See if we can find the date on the rails. I think these were W.C. Hayes wheel stops. Let's see if I'm on it. Can't see, but yeah, I'm pretty sure they're W.C. Hayes. Date on the rail. Yeah, it's recycled because this has like something to the effect of 1955. But as I said, these were removed in the 90s and then they were replaced again. So I wouldn't by stogging that. You got your angle cock, your same components as you had on the other side. Alright, ladies and gents, always a pleasure. Please subscribe, leave me a comment if you haven't. Remember, I drop videos on Sundays. Take care. Always a pleasure. Bye-bye.